It is amazing to think of the facilities available today when compared with primitive man. Computer, mobile phones, internet, space shuttles, robotics, hybrid food grains, medicines, etc. are all the results of ideas which organized in some human brains. Science is a process of thinking. Science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on experimentations. Science is a tool of researching truth of nature. Science is the way of exploring the world. Questioning is a primary or fundamental step in scientific thinking. Let us observe the following experiences. Why leaves fall from the tree when they turn in yellow? A separate layer is formed between the main part of the plant and leaves. As a result, they drop off. How ants identify sweets kept in a tin? Special receptors like chemoreceptors are present. Due to these receptors, the ant can recognize the sweets that are kept in a tin. Farmers afraid of uncontrolled rains and uncontrolled pests. How do we solve these problems? Biopesticides are the pest controllers. By spraying these pesticides and by following crop rotation method and by intermixing of crops, farmer controls uncontrolled pests. Pickles could not spoil, but sambar becomes spoiled. Why? In pickling, we need to use preservatives like salt, turmeric powder, gingerly oil, etc. So, that is why pickles preserved for a long period. Because of lack of preservatives, sambar cannot be stored even for 2 days. Why cannot we see stars during daytime? Stars are far away from the earth when compared to the sun, so we cannot see the stars during daytime. Why diseases occur and how to prevent and cure? Diseases occur due to the following reasons: willful starvation, poor health, entry of disease-causing organism, socio-economic problems. The disease is prevented by following several preventable methods before getting disease only and after getting disease. These are cured by medicines. These are few examples of observational science. An astrophysicist photographing distant galaxies and climatologist shifting data from weather. These are few examples for experimental science. A chemist observing the rates of one chemical reaction at a variety of temperature. A nuclear physicist recording a result of angular momentum of a particular particle in the circular path. A biologist observing the reaction of a particular tissues. Why do science? The individual perspective. Scientists collecting information to test new ideas or to preserve old ones. Scientists become famous for discovering new things that change how we think about nature. Many scientists find their greatest joy in a previous known fact that explains some problems previously not explained or that overturns some previously accepted idea. The social perspective. Geneticists are trying to understand how certain conditions are passed from generations to generations, and biologists tracing the pathways by which diseases are transmitted and clearly seeking information improve the lives of ordinary people. Earth scientists developing better models for the prediction of weather or for the prediction of earthquakes. Landslides, and volcanic eruptions, etc. Science and change. Scientists trying to make a new discoveries or to develop new concepts and theories. Such changes progress towards a better understanding of nature. The result is that theories come and go, or at least modified through time, as long ideas are questioned and new evidence is discovered. In the words of Karl Popper, science is the history corrected mistakes. Albert Einstein remarked of himself, "That fellow Einstein every year retracts what he wrote the year before." Many scientists have remarked that they would like to return to life in few centuries to see what new knowledge and new ideas have been developed by them, and to see which of their own centuries' ideas have been discarded. Scientists follow a specific way for their innovation. The way that they follow is called scientific method.